Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to handle the database. All right. Now in previous video, I already showed you how to set up this XAMPP. Now once you have that, the next thing you probably need to look at to is the MySQL. So what we need to do is you have to start this database service first. Now if you start, let me try again. Attempt to start, data change running. Oh, okay. Now, once you start, it's running. Okay, this you will see is green is normal. Now, if you see that there are some error, probably you just need to check again. Maybe earlier you have run other instances before, or the port 33066 has been taken. Now, once you have this, all right, how do we access the database? Now, I'm a bit old school, so I prefer to use the command prompt. So I'm going to turn on this shell. So this is the shell that you see. Let me see if I can enlarge this shell. Okay, so for it to run to log into your database. So this is the command that I always use: MySQL -u root -p. Will ask you for password. If it's a brand new installation, there wouldn't have be any password, so you just have to hit enter. Then you are into the database command. You realize that now you see MariaDB. Now, long story short, this is a spin-off from MySQL, but because it's open source. Yeah. No, now, so once you have this, all right, a few very important command that you probably need to know is first you have to show databases, just to see how many databases available inside. Now you can see these are the one that are preloaded. I mean, when it comes with this version of XAMPP, you have already have this. So if you want to use, what you need to do, you have to first create a database. Okay, put in the name that you prefer. Okay, I call it my data, for instance. And if you see like that, it means that the database is okay, created. Now, but you are still not using anyone. That's why you can see there's a none here, right? So if you want to use, you have to type use my data. Then you can see this. So you are now actually inside your database. Now, once you're inside, you can show tables. Yep, precisely that's the correct one. There's no table inside here. Now you need to use a table. Create table. Now, I'm pretty sure you have taken database courses before. You have learned all those SQL statements. Yeah, here this is where you start to use them. Create table. Okay. I want to just create a very simple table, just to show you, how the operation works. I call it my transaction. All right. And then I'm going to open up. Those are the things I want to put inside. What are the things I want to put inside? Transactions ID. Okay. ID and key primary key. I suppose you remember this. It's basically our primary key. I call it ID. Okay, I just put ID, big I, small d. But it's up to you, depending how you like to do it. I like to do that. I want to call this description. Okay, description is a character. Let's say this and cannot be null. And what else I want? I want a value of the item. Yeah, maybe in this is a decimal. Like that. And we close it semicolon and hit enter. Yeah, that's how you create your table. Now you can actually now select all from my transaction, something like that, and of course it's empty. So what you need to do now, probably you want to insert things into this. Okay, let me try insert into my transaction. Okay, what is the thing I want to put inside? Description and value. Yeah. Values. So this is the thing I want to put inside. book, and also the price, something like that. Okay, so now that is inserted already. So you can just select, okay, from my transaction. Yeah, then you can see that the item that I key inserted now is already in the database. Now this is persistence. So in other words, you can just you know turn it off, start the database again. Let me show you. I can exit this guy, exit this guy. I can stop the database. All right. So what I'll do is I'm going to restart the database again. So once it's started, I turn up power fire on my shell, and I'm going to log in again. No password needed. Use my data as my database. Select all from my transaction. There you go. See, it's persistent, which means that once the data is stored in database, you can power it off, power it on. It was actually stored in your hard drive already. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how we can actually create a PHP, yeah, to allow user to actually insert data into this table. All right, so take a break here, and probably you want to try your own database.